Good day, class, once again. We have been treating some series of questions on Waec And Jamb on heat energy. And today we want to take the application of heat energy, particularly on conduction. Conduction, convection, radiation, these are the ways heat are transferred. But today we want to examine this JAMB question on the board. JAMB 2007 question 32. The blade of a hoe feels colder to touch in the morning than the wooden handle because the handle contains stored energy in form of heat. Blade is placed at a lower temperature than the handle. Blade is a better conductor of heat than the handle. The handle is a better conductor of heat than the blade. Normally, metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. So the answer here is that heat has been lost through conduction. So we have blade is a better conductor of heat than the handle. So we have our best option here is option C. Heat lost by conduction. Metals are good conductors of heat. I hope you've gained something in this video. As simple as this question is, some students are bereft of knowledge. What you will do is to share the knowledge to as many students as you can. Maybe you have a child or a ward that is preparing for JAMB. Let him connect directly to my YouTube page, IKORODU, or be in touch with this page, IKORODU, for any question that is bothering you on any topic in physics, chemistry, biology, math. Feel free to drop it in the comment section. I'll be ready to take a full class on that. Bye for now. Bye.